1, 2, 3.
CrystalNinja Miami!
Okay, I messed it up. One more time. 1, 2, 3. CrystalNinja Miami!
Sparkle Expo!
Get ready to shine like never before because this year's first ever Sparkle Expo was nothing short of spectacular. The week kicked off in Miami with our fabulous Summer of Sparkle class. This vibrant, hands-on experience was packed with rhinestone and crystal techniques where we shared our hottest tips and ninja secrets to make every design truly dazzle. The energy in the room was electric as attendees worked their magic, transforming simple surfaces into sparkling masterpieces. But that was just the beginning. The real adventure started when we set sail on the jaw-dropping Royal Caribbean cruise ship, Allure of the Seas. With luxury all around, it was the perfect setting for more bling-filled workshops. The CrystalNinja team had a full week planned for all the cruisers, spreading sparkle and fun in the sun. As we made our way to the Bahamas for a class at the Nassau cruise port in the gallery and wine bar, the island vibes took our creativity to a whole new level. Picture this, sparkling seas, tropical breezes, and the next level rhinestone designs coming to life before your eyes in our Bling for Island Life class. The next day, we arrived at Coco Cay Island for a day of fun in the sun, and wow, was it special! A huge shout out to DreamtimeCreations.com, our platinum sponsor for the Dazzle Me at Coco Cay event, and the stunning Austrian crystals, that's right, Austrian Crystal Kits we used to bling on the beach. Thanks to them, the day sparkled just a little brighter. With the sun on our skin and crystals in hand, we soaked up the rays while adding sparkle to everything around us. It was the perfect way to unwind in the middle of a busy bling-filled week. But the excitement didn't stop there. The grand finale was the Float Like a Seahorse sculpture tumbler. Students dove headfirst into a full day of lessons, creativity, and challenges from the CrystalNinja team, mastering 6 advanced rhinestone techniques. The energy and enthusiasm were off the charts, making it a day to remember. And of course, a huge thank you to our amazing sponsors. Thank you to Todd and Corey Downing of FatDadCustomDesigns.com, our incredible gold sponsors, the glittery pink cruise lanyards and fabulous cruise shirt logos on our beautiful floral shirts had everyone talking, adding a fun and stylish touch to the entire event. We couldn't have done it without your support. And we could not have carried the tons of supplies for all the kits had it not been for Pilar Harrison of PillCustoms.com. Those beautiful ocean blue cruise tote bags adorned with luxury diamond-cut rhinestones for our logo sparkled so brightly they could be seen from the crow's nest. Truly, they were as functional as they were fabulous, turning heads all across the ship. Special thanks to SuperTite Adhesives, Nassau Cruise Port and Gallery Wine Bar, and Tipsy Magnolia for your generous donations. Sparkle Expo wasn't just about learning, it was a one-of-a-kind experience. From ocean views to shimmering workshops, we blended education, fun, and a whole lot of luxury. Attendees left with new skills, lifelong connections, and memories to last a lifetime. So if you're obsessed with all things sparkle and want an experience that's out of this world, you can't miss next year's Sparkle Expo. Get ready for another dazzling adventure filled with crystal creativity, sun-soaked fun, and bling like you've never seen before.